I know I generally give a fancy intro. Oh, the bird just went by. But the sun is literally going down and I literally have a few minutes. Hello. Welcome to another brand new episode of the redMI project. I'm Ankit, you also know me as Gadgetwala, and I'm so excited about this particular video. Now we are sharing photography tips so you can take your photography game on your redMI device to the next level. 7.5 billion of us and some gorgeous faces, which is why I've got one of them. Satyam, come on in here. And we're going to be doing portrait photography. Thanks so much for volunteering for this, Satyam. And I'm going to be showing you some amazing silhouette photography tips and tricks, some great arty shots, and then we're going to be doing some light painting with this pretty face. Are you guys ready? So, typically, rule number one, when we're doing photography, especially people, portraits, we always say, make the subject, Satyam in this case, face the light. But the beauty of photography is you also take the rules and dunk them in the lake in this case. Because breaking the rules makes beautiful visuals like this. I love the evening light. It's called the golden hour. It's literally the light just 45 minutes before sunset. And look at this magic. The light behind Satyam is so magical. It's called the golden hour because the soft sunlight, which is literally the first 40 minutes in the morning and the last 40 minutes in the day, in the evening, are so gorgeous. This light is stunning. Now I'm in Bangalore, but it looks like Satyam is in a gorgeous place for his honeymoon without anyone to honeymoon with. The thing with portraits is shoot everything. The beauty of this light is it makes the subject look very flattering because it's so soft, right? And you know the thing about soft lights, it's very flattering. Okay, so I've taken a few silhouette shots. I love silhouette. Shoot directly into the light. Look at that sun. Oh my God. You can also use portrait to establish the location, right? Sunsets are universally appealing. Just like cats, everyone loves a good sunset. You know, one way to bring a whole different dimension to your portraits is by using props. So why does this help? This helps because photography is all about perspective, right? So it's great to establish where you are, and there's the beautiful dusk, sun and the sky. Machar! The sun's gone doesn't mean that the fun's gone, because it's time to bring out... Oh, okay, glow sticks time. We're going to be doing some really cool light painting, nighttime photography to take your portrait shots to the next level. But before that, in case you haven't already subscribed to redMI India's YouTube channel, follow us on our TikTok channel, where we share some really cool photography tips and tricks as well, and share your amazing portrait shots with us. So tag redMI India, tag Gadgetwala on Twitter and on Instagram, and share all your cool portrait shots. And if we like what we see, we are going to be sharing it on our official channels. You can be popular too. So see you guys on the next one. It's going to be absolutely lit. Yeah.